Understanding Vision Boards. 1. Introduction. Welcome to today's video on creating and using a vision board. 1. In this session, we will explore the process of making a vision board and how to effectively use it as a powerful tool for manifesting your goals and dreams. Creating a vision board. 1. Definition of vision boards. A vision board is a physical or digital manifestation of your goals, created by collecting images or objects that represent the future you want to create. 1. It serves as a tangible and aesthetically pleasing reminder of where you're heading. Creating a vision board. 1. Supplies and setup. To create a vision board, you will need a base such as cork, wire, or a magnetic whiteboard, along with scissors, push pins, tape, glue, magnets, or clips to secure images. 1. It's a personal and customizable activity, so there's no one way to do it. 2. Selecting images and phrases. Collect inspirational images and phrases related to your goals. 2. These could be related to health, career, relationships, or any area of your life you want to focus on. 3. Arranging the board. Experiment with different designs and layouts, and consider including a photo of yourself in the center surrounded by your inspiring images and words. Using the vision board. 1. Manifesting with the vision board. Display your vision board in a prominent place where you can view it regularly. 1. Engage with it by spending time visualizing your goals and dreams while looking at the board. 1. Let the images and words inspire you to take action towards achieving them. 2. Alternative methods. Additionally, consider combining the use of a vision board with other manifesting techniques such as scripting to enhance its effectiveness. 1. Closing. Thank you for joining us today. 1. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into the creation and use of vision boards. 1. Remember, a vision board is not just a collage, it's a powerful tool for visualizing and manifesting your aspirations, and we encourage you to explore this creative and transformative practice. By following this script, you can create a YouTube video that effectively guides viewers through the process of creating and using a vision board as a tool for manifesting their goals and dreams.